Hello, Namaste. Welcome to That Awkward Yogi. This is day 14 of 30 Days Yoga Challenge. For today's challenge, I will be following 30 minutes power yoga. So let's see how it goes. This video is in 4x speed. So today's session is done. Actually it was 34 minutes power yoga. It was little tough. By the end of 24-25 minutes session, my body didn't allow me to stretch further. So I listened to it and I keep it as much I can do. And that's okay. Along with stretching our limits, we also sometimes need to listen what our body is telling us, and that's important too. So that's it for today. Thank you for joining in. Namaste.